Now the question is, there are 8 seats in the front row of a theatre in which 4 persons are to be seated. Then the probability of seating them so that no 2 persons are side by side. Now for this we need to select 4 chairs which are separate from each other. So basically this is nothing but this is non-consecutive selection. Now we have already studied non-consecutive selections in a row in one of the previous videos, and we know that if we have n objects and out of which we have to select k objects which are not consecutive, then it can be done in n minus k plus 1 c k ways. Now in this, value of n is 8 and value of k is 4. So total number of ways of choosing 4 seats so that none of them is side by side, it will be given by 8 minus 4 plus 1 c4, which is basically 5c4. So we can select these 4 non-consecutive seats in 5 ways. Now in these selected 4 seats, these 4 people, they can be arranged in factorial 4 ways. Now we need to find this probability. So it will be this 5 into factorial 4 divided by total number of ways. Total number is any 4 out of 8 into factorial 4. Now this factorial 4 will cancel. So this is 5 and this is 8, 7, 6, 5 and this is 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now 5 and 5 will cancel. Now this is 8. So this value is simply 1 by 14. So the probability that no 2 persons sit side by side is 1 by 14, and that's your option A. Now the next one is each person has exactly one neighbor. Now when each person has exactly one neighbor, that means 2 of them, they are sitting together. Another 2, they are sitting together. And in between them, there should be at least 1. So suppose there are x1 seats here, x2 seats here and x3 seats here. So we write x1 plus x2 plus x3. It must be equal to 4, where x1 and x3, they are greater than or equal to 0 and x2 is greater than or equal to 1. Now we'll replace x2 with 1 plus x2 dash. So we can write this as x1 plus x2 dash plus x3. It is equal to 3, where each of xi or xi dash, it is greater than or equal to 0. That means we need to find number of non-negative integral solutions. So number of non-negative integral solution is given by n plus r minus 1, and that is simply 10. Now we have 4 places here. Now in these 4 places, we can arrange these 4 people in factorial 4 ways, and then total number of ways of selecting these 2 and 2 seats will be 10 divided by total number of ways of arrangement, which is 8c4 into factorial 4. Now this factorial 4 will cancel. Now this is 10 and this is 8, 7, 6, 5 and this is 4, 3, 2, 1. Now 4 and this is 2. So this probability is nothing but simply 1 by 7, and that's your option C. Now this third part of the question is all of them sit together in a row, avoiding 2 end seats. So we have 8 seats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we have to avoid this first seat and this 8th seat. Now all of them, they can sit in either 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we have 3 choices, and then in the 4 consecutive, we can arrange them in factorial 4 ways, divided by 8c4 into factorial 4. Now this factorial 4 will cancel. Now this is 3. Now this is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now this is 8. Now this is 2. So it will be this 3 by 70, and that's your option B.